They don't want to see us win, prosper, and they'll do anything in their power to stop that. To them, we're not even considered human beings. It's time we stand together.
Peace and power, family. You've tuned in to the Midnight Advocate, where inspiration meets information. And where protecting your brilliance is a form of self-respect. I'm Lucious Conway, your late night legal lifeline, helping you guard your gifts and rise with focus and foundation. Tonight's truth is this: your idea is valuable and it deserves protection. We're talking about patents, the legal armor that shields your invention from being copied, stolen, or claimed by someone else. It's midnight. Let's make your innovation unstoppable. As always, I want to share something with you. I once worked with a young brother who had designed a breakthrough tool for mobile mechanics. Efficient, compact, game-changing. He shared it with a few folks, thinking they would help him build it up. But a few months later, someone else had filed a patent on something nearly identical and locked him out of his own dream. Of course, he was devastated, but it taught him a hard truth. Good ideas need legal defense, not just good intentions. He rebuilt, he reworked, and this time, he filed first. Now, that tool's out there in the world with his name on it. So tonight, if you've got a vision that could change lives, let's talk about how to protect it before someone else profits from it. The Midnight Advocate is here to remind you, your creativity is your currency. A patent is not just paperwork. It's protection, it's proof, it's power. When you file a patent, you're telling the world, this idea is mine. This design has value, and I have the exclusive right to make, sell, or license it. There are different types of patents. There are utility patents, design patents, plant patents, each for different kinds of inventions. But what they all do is this: they keep your creation safe from copycats. And yes, the process can be complex, but there are some free tools and legal clinics and advocates that will walk with you for free. Tonight, our word is this: don't just dream it, defend it. In our midnight law brief, let's discuss how to patent your invention step by step. There are 3 keys to protection that I've identified for us. First, document your invention. Keep dated sketches, prototypes, notes, anything that shows the timeline of your idea, from inside your head to on paper, and everything's dated. Everything's dated, so that we know when you wrote it down, when you started putting it together, when you get the whole thing put together, the whole nine. You're taking pictures, timestamp, date stamp pictures through the course of development, and you're squirreling, filing all this away so that you can prove that timeline. Because what becomes important in patent disputes is who secured the idea first. Research before you file for a patent, because filing now is expensive. But research first. You're going to first search to see if there's an existing patent on the invention you've created or you're thinking about creating, which is a better time to do it. When you're thinking about an invention, you want to go to USP, USP as in Paul, T as in Tom, O, USPTO.gov to search existing patents based on your idea. Make sure that your idea and invention is new, useful, and non-obvious. Then you're going to file your application, starting with what's called a provisional patent. That's if you're still in the developing stages of your invention. And a provisional patent gives you a year of protection while you completely develop the invention. After that, then you will file a non-provisional patent for full rights to the invention in its completed stage. Your key phrases to use when you talk with an attorney or an advocate or ChatGPT.com is question 1, I want to patent my invention. Where do I start? In this particular instance, you're going to say in America, because patents are nationwide and international. Can I file a provisional patent myself in America? These are questions you're going to ask ChatGPT. If you're talking to a local attorney or advocate, of course, they're going to assume you're talking about America, because you can file a patent anywhere in the world, depending on where you are. What if somebody already filed something similar? These are very pertinent and germane questions to begin with. Some additional resources to help you. There is a patent tiny URL you're going to see on the upcoming slide. And it's going to take you to a page that will provide more in-depth information and links to the provisional and non-provisional patent applications, along with fee requirements, etc. You can also call, and I'm not going to put this number on the slide, I'm going to say it, the USPTO Inventors Assistance line. That phone number is 1-800-786-9199. Again, that's the USPTO Inventors Assistance line at 1-800-786-9199. You also want to check, your local law schools for free patent clinics. Well, how do I check my local law school? Call it. Wayne State University Law School. There's a phone number. University of Detroit Mercy Campus. There's a law school. University of Detroit Law School. There's a phone number. Call the phone number and tell them what you're looking for. Do you know if there's a free patent clinic at the school? Upcoming, or is there someone I can talk to about it? Is there a class on patent law where the students might be able to have a conversation with me, or I might be able to have a conversation with them? That's how we do that. And of course, we're not talking about paying somebody. So if that fire is in your spirit to protect what you've created, I want you to visit that tiny URL on this slide coming up. You can visit that right now. And remember, it's yours, it's ready, and it's free. Our spiritual food tonight comes from 1 Timothy chapter 4, verses 14 and 15. Do not neglect the gift you have. Practice these things. Immerse yourself in them so that all may see your progress. Your creativity, my family, is divine. It's not random. It's not trivial. And it's not for nothing. When you honor your ideas by protecting them, you're honoring the Creator who gave them to you. This world needs your inventions, your innovations, your voice. Don't bury your brilliance under fear or delay. Let your diligence be your praise. Let your patent be your protection. We were all made to be like the Creator, that is to say, creative. We weren't made just for survival. We were made for legacy. If you have an idea, a tool, a method, a design, don't wait. Start protecting it today. Use the URL at the bottom of the slide you now see. Use the link. Use the help. Use your power. And if you know a young innovator, or an elder with an idea, a neighbor with a new creation, share this episode. Let them know, hey, brother, sister, your idea deserves to be safe. Let's pray it out. May the Lord bless you and keep you, blessing the work of your hands and keeping your ideas under his shield. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Let the brilliance he gave you shine brighter than fear, and let his grace follow you with every bold step you take. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace, as he looks upon your invention with favor and grants you peace as you protect what you've built. Rest well, family. You are worthy of credit. You are covered by midnight power. This is the Midnight Advocate, and we rise one patent, one prayer, one midnight at a time.